Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat ng welcome to my channel, Best Investment by Mr. Sabachen. I am Mark, accredited seller of the MCA Homes. So today naman, ang i-discuss ko naman sa inyo is yung mga sample computations natin para kay Soraya Building ni Allegra Garden Place. Okay pa? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So I hope napanood niyo yung last video ko para sa sample computations natin para kay Amina Building. So ito naman, for this video po, I will discuss naman yung computations natin para kay Soraya Building. Okay, so this one is the second building na ang turnover date niya is by July 2025. Okay, so it is a year after na ni Amina Building. So mag-start ang turnover nito August 2025. So ngayon naman for the promo meron siyang additional 15 months. So that's why ang number of months to pay nito is for 24 months, okay? So mas humaba siya. Okay? So for those who invested sa mga nauna po for Soraya Building, so yun pa rin yung turnover date natin. So, for those who will invest sa mga bago po, ito pwede nyo i-avail itong promo na to. Okay? So, wag natin patagalin pa. Start na natin yung computations natin. So, for this video, I will discuss to you the computations for studio unit, for 1-bedroom unit, for 2-bedroom unit, and for 3-bedroom unit. Okay? So, ito, makikita po ninyo dyan sa screen po, meron tayong computations para sa lahat ng type of units. Okay? So ang current promo natin is 12% down payment in 24 months, okay? With 1% discount. So let's start first dito sa 2-bedroom unit. So siya yung unang na dito sa left. So this one is a 60 square meters po. Okay? And it is priced at 9.3 million. Okay? So magle-less tayo ng 1% discount. So less tayo 93,000. So, ang net contract price natin would fall at 9.2 M. And let's get the 12% down payment na amounting to 1.1 million and less a reservation fee of 20,000. So, ito na yung equally divide natin to 24 months. So, for 24 months, 2-bedroom unit, 60 square meters, 45,000 a month. Okay? And then yung remaining balance natin na 88% na amounting to 8.1 M plus the closing fees of 974, ito na yung magiging loanable amount natin. So, maximum of 20 years at 72,000 pesos, for 15 years at 83,000, for 10 years at 107,000. Okay? And then, yung next computation naman natin is for the 3-bedroom unit. Okay? So, for those who are looking for a bigger cuts, so this might fit your requirement. Pero, this one is yung 3-bedroom units natin dito kay Soraya Building are very limited na lang. Okay, so for this computation, and the unit is priced at 11.4 M. So almost 11.5 siya. So let's less the 1% discount amounting to 114,000. So ang contract price natin mag-fall sa 11.3 M. Okay, so let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 1.3 M. Okay, so for 1.3 M, then less the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. So, ang net down payment natin is at 1,345,000. So, ito na equally divide natin for 24 months. So, for 24 months, ang monthly down payment natin for a 3-bedroom unit is at 56,000 pesos. Okay? And next is yung 88% balance natin na amounting to 88%, amounting to 10 million plus the closing fees of 1.1 M. So, ang total loanable amount natin would be at 11.2 M. So, ang estimated na monthly amortization natin for 20 years at 88,000, for 15 years at 102,000, and for 10 years at 131,000. The next computation is for the studio. Okay? So, sa studio natin, meron tayong 30 square meters and meron tayong 34 square meters. Ngayon, for this video, I made a 34 square meters computation. And it is priced at 6.3 million. So let's less the discount muna tayo. Let's discount na 63,000. So ang net contract price natin would fall at 6.2 million. And let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 748,000 and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin total is at 728,000. So ito na yung equally divide natin for 24 months for 2 years actually. So for 2 years, ang monthly down payment natin for a studio unit is at 30,354. And then yung remaining balance natin 88% na amounting to 5.4 M plus the closing fees of 654,000. So ang total is at 6.1 M. So ito na yung estimated natin na monthly amortization. So monthly amortization for 20 years at 48,000, for 15 years at 56,000, and for 10 years at 72,000. And then lastly naman, for our 1-bedroom unit. Okay, so ang 1-bedroom unit natin to, dalawang size din. Meron tayong 38 square meters and meron tayong 41 square meters. And it is priced at 7.6 million. Okay, so let's less the 1% discount na amounting to 76,000. So ang net contract price natin would fall at 7.5 M. And let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 910,000 and less the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. So ang net down payment natin is at 890,000. So let's divide it into 24 months. So for 24 months, ang monthly down payment natin is at 37,109. And then yung remaining balance natin for 88% amounting to 7.4 M. That's a total na po. Okay? And then ang estimated natin na monthly amortization maximum of 20 years at 59,000, for 15 years at 68,000, and for 10 years at 87,000 pesos. Okay? Ayun po. So, that concludes my computation, presentation for the sample computations natin para sa mga units natin kay Soraya Building. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project po, nandyan yung mga numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay? And also, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom or pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So, pwede natin puntahan ito, si Allegra Garden Place. And I can show you the model units there. Meron tayong dalawa. Okay, meron tayong 1-bedroom and meron tayong 2-bedroom. Pero right now, magkaiba kasi yung mga unit layouts natin kay Amina Building and kay Soraya. Pero yung deliverables is the same lang din. So we can base on that and also sa mga sizes di naman nakakalayo. And also sa mga unit layouts, almost the same lang din. Okay? So yun po. So thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay manonotify po kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.